Hello, dear children. I, Rinkal Bagadia, your computer teacher, welcome you all in our today's computer class. Children, we have started our chapter 2 Tux Paint in last session and studied about Tux Paint, how can we open it, and Tux Paint window tools. Now today we are going to start next part of our chapter. So let's start. Children, our first tool is paint tool. P-A-I-N-T, paint tool. The picture of paint tool is also given on the screen. As we studied in our last class, paint is selected by default whenever we start the Tux Paint program. This is the picture of paint tool is also given on your screen. It is one type of brush using which we can draw or paint anything on the canvas. Canvas means the white part of the Tux Paint window on which we can draw anything. Paint tool is similar to a brush tool in Microsoft Paint. It has so many subtools which are available in its subtool box. We can draw freehand images or sketches using paint tool. So now children, let's see paint tool and its subtools on Tux Paint window. Here on the screen you can see the Tux Paint window, and in this you can see the paint tool is the first tool of Tux Paint toolbox. This is the paint tool, and on the right side of the window here brushes are given, and this is the subtools of paint tool. In last class we have studied that whenever we select any tool from the main toolbox, its subtools are displayed on the right side of the Tux Paint window. So here paint tool is selected because it is highlighted in blue color. That's why on the right side here the subtools of paint tools are displayed. You can move downward using or clicking on this arrow button. Okay, so these are the subtools of paint tool. Now students, let's see how paint tool work and how can we draw pictures using paint tool. So children, let us start drawing scenery using the paint tool. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The shape of pointer changes from a hand to paintbrush. Select the brown color from the colors palette and draw a few mountains at the upper part of the drawing canvas. You can see drawing on the canvas. Now choose yellow color and draw a small sun behind the mountains as shown in the picture here. Select blue color and draw a wavy line for river as shown in the figure. You can see the drawing on the screen. Now children, let us learn a few things about the subtool box on the right side of the drawing canvas. Here on the screen you can see the picture of brushes at the left side of the screen. It is also called subtool box and it is available on the right side of the Tux Paint window. Whenever we select any tool from the toolbox, it shows a list of brushes or special effects of that particular main tool. After that, we can choose any brush shape from the subtool box and draw. We have more than 50 different shapes, but only a few are used. So children, let us select different brush shapes and learn how to use them. Our first brush is Haze brush shape. H-A-Z-E, Haze brush shape. It is a unique brush because it has a hazy appearance. Hazy appearance means definitely not clear. There is fog, mist, smoke or something like that blurring the view of the picture. So, we can use this brush shape to draw objects that are. So, let us try this tool and see how this tool works. Select the paint tool. Now select the hazy brush shape and select light blue color from the color palette. Draw a few clouds in the sky above the mountains. You can see the lines of clouds are hazy. Hazy means blur appearance. Similarly, select green color and draw the trees as shown in the figure. Here in drawing you can see hazy appearance. Great, we have learned how to use hazy brush from magic. Magic tool. Children, it's time to create some magic on the canvas. We have learned earlier that TuxPaint is very interesting drawing program. So now it's time to prove this using magic tool. Magic tool is a special feature of TuxPaint. We can use the magic tool to draw and give amazing effect to a picture. When we select magic tool, the pointer will change to magic wand, like a magic stick of a magician. And we can select any effect using this magic wand and can apply effects on our drawing. So let's see some magic tools to create magic on the canvas. Two magic tools we are going to study today. First is bricks magic. As its name, it draws bricks on the canvas by just clicking once on the screen. So let's see how it works and how can we use this bricks magic tool on the canvas. Select the magic tool from the toolbox. The pointer will change to magic wand. Now we will apply some magical effects to our drawing. First is bricks magic. Select the bricks sub-tool. The bricks effect fills bricks into the picture. Draw a heart using the lines tool and apply bricks effect. Let us see what happens to our heart when we use the bricks effect. Now children, you can see our heart is filled with brown colored bricks. So here our hut is look like a real house or hut. So using bricks effect we can add bricks in our drawing. Our second magic tool is BLUR Blur Magic. You can see the picture of Blur Magic tool on the screen. This subtool of magic tool blurs the area or portion of the picture on which this effect applied. You can use blur effect as many times as you like. After applying blur matching effect, the picture will fade a little more than the original one. It gives us blur effect on the picture. So after applying this effect, we can draw the picture like that is far away from us. So let us see how the blur magic tool works practically. Let us see how it works. Select the magic tool and then the blur effect from the subtool box. Apply it all over the boundary of the mountains and see how it looks. It looks like blur. You can use the blur effect as many times you like. Every time you use this tool, the image will fade a little, the original one. Now children, I hope you enjoyed today's class. Today we had learned about some tools of TuxPaint. If you have computer at your home or laptop, then do practice of every tool of TuxPaint with the help of your parents. Stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.